How is energy transformed in our school? Our 11th grade DP Physics students set out to find out. They explored solar energy collection, the school's electrical system, and the ceramic kilns used in art. Using real data, they connected physics concepts with real-world applications. Beyond physics, this experiment developed key IB skills. They were inquirers, designing their own measurements. Thinkers, analyzing efficiency. Communicators, sharing structured conclusions. Through teamwork, problem-solving, and reflection, they strengthened their scientific skills, learning precision, handling experimental uncertainty, and applying mathematical models. A hands-on experiment, real-world learning, and a deeper understanding of energy transformations, because physics is everywhere.